Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that find the Laplace transform of the following. Solution. So now, we'll start with the first one. Sin 2t. So now in all this exercise, I'm going to use the direct method of Laplace transform. I'm going to use the direct method of solving Laplace transform. That is the method that is gotten from standard tables that gives the Laplace transform of all these functions. Like t, exponential, sine, cosine, cosh, sine, they are all in tables of Laplace transform, whereby there are functions and their corresponding Laplace transform, like the derivative or integral table. So, this one, the Laplace transform of sine 2t is what? So, the Laplace transform of sine 2t is n over s squared plus n squared. And what is n? N is the one here, which is 2. So, it's 2 over s squared plus n squared, which is 2 squared. So this is 2 over s squared plus 4. This is the Laplace transform of this function. You see, short and simple. Unlike the first principle method that involves you finding the integral of this exponential minus st, the t from infinity to 0, this is the shorter method and faster. So let's move to the second one. ft is equals to cos 2t. The Laplace transform of cos 2t. For cos, the Laplace transform is s over s squared plus n squared. Instead of n is s. In cos, instead of n is s. So it's s over s squared plus n squared. So s is what? Is s over s squared plus 2 squared, which is equals to s over s squared plus 4. So this is the Laplace transform of cos 2t. See the difference? Then number 3, ft is what? Cosh 2t. So the Laplace transform of cosh 2t is equals to what? Then cosh. So the Laplace transform of cosh is similar to that of cos, but difference is the sign at the denominator. So the difference is the sign here at the denominator. Instead of positive, is negative here. So it is s over s squared minus 4. So it's s over s squared minus 2 squared, which is 4. Then this is sine 2t. So for this one, the Laplace transform of sine 2t is what? Is this is the same thing as that of this, but the sign changes. So it is what? 2 over s squared minus 4. So the Laplace transform of this one is what? Is the same thing as that of this, but only the difference is the sign at the denominator. So we have successfully found the Laplace transform of all these functions using the direct method or the standard formulas from tables. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.